4 easy massages to treat headaches. A headache is a condition marked by mild to severe head pain. It may also target our neck or upper back. Headaches are annoying, and they can occasionally be challenging to avoid. Most of the time, headaches come on automatically when we are under strain. If it worsens, we can even pass out from the pain. Tension in the jaw, neck, and scalp muscles is one of the primary causes of headaches. To relieve the discomfort, we typically get some rest or take over-the-counter painkillers. Massage is the simplest and most universal approach to treat headaches. Massage therapy is the application of pressure or vibration to the body's soft tissues in order to treat injuries, reduce psychological stress, manage pain, enhance circulation, and ease tension. Here are 4 simple massage techniques for treating headaches. Scalp massage. Massage your scalp on top of your skull with the palms of your hands for 1 minute. Eyes area massage. Close your eyes. Place your middle fingers above your cheekbones above your eyes. For 1 minute, massage that area gently but firmly in a circular motion. Eye to nose massage. With your thumb, massage the underside of your eyebrows, along the bone at the top of your eye socket. Find the point where this bone meets the bridge of your nose and eyes, and feel for a small indentation. Press your thumbs into the points very gently. It can be done 4 times, by holding and pressing the area for 10 seconds each time. Neck massage. Massage a point on your neck, where you can feel it by moving your middle fingers to the back of your head and feeling the base of your skull. Particularly at the top of your neck, where it meets your skull. Gently massage your fingertips in circular motions for a minute. Once you have done all those massages, start taking a deep breath. Lift your shoulders towards your ears for 5 to 10 seconds to relieve the remaining pain, and then let them drop back down into their natural position. You are going to feel better when you can do that for a couple of times. Your massage will help relieve your headache, and your head will feel less weighty. Thank you for watching.